My fourth tool is a website that I found actually when I was scrolling through TikTok, wasting my time. But actually came across this teacher who has a website called Sabocat Teacher. But she just puts a bunch of her free resources available online, which I think is just like so wonderful. So this is the homepage. She's, I guess, very into cats, but the reason I really love it is for two main reasons. Fun and games. There is a section for brain breaks, which my students absolutely, truly adore. They have such a fun, like just such a blast playing all of these games. I found that Go Noodle was a little bit young for my fifth graders, and they didn't like it. Like when it came to brain break time and I said, oh, let's put on a Go Noodle, they literally groaned. They were miserable. They'd rather have been doing the work than doing the Go Noodles. I don't know, maybe we were choosing the wrong ones, but they really hated it. So when I saw this, I was like, this is what I need. She's got lots of different versions of the same game. And a lot of them are inspired by other people or by artists, but she credits them throughout the whole thing. So this one, for example, top 5, challenge the students to sort the 5 things in the correct order. Give them a few minutes to do this and encourage debate. Remember to reveal the answers with a great flourish. So the 5 best-selling game consoles is an example, right? And so you'd have to organize those in top 5. I usually have them do it on their whiteboards while it's on the screen. This one's really funny. How many legs? Each slide is a sound, an animal sound, and they have to decide how many legs that animal that was making the sound has. And they just guess how many legs. But the sounds are, some of them are normal, like a cow. You're like, oh, that was a moo, that's a cow, that's 4. But some of them are super odd, and it's like a centipede, and it's like 16 legs or something. So it's very silly, and my students love it, and it's very easy to use. For example, this which came first, my students just used today. And when you click the link, it requests that you make a copy. So it goes straight into your drive, and it pulls up as a slide. So this one is for each pair of items, try to guess which one was invented first. It's taking some time to load, but it'll show 2 images, like a light bulb and a typewriter, I think is one of them. Oh, a light bulb and a bike, which one came first? And then the next slide shows that the light bulb was 1879 and the modern bicycle was 1885. So just really fun, silly things like that. Ton underneath the fun and games, just a lot of really exciting things that students are interested in and want to do, and some that even include movement, like 4 corners. The other thing I really like for here is common education acronyms. I'm sure there's other places that you can find this, but I feel like she lays it out in such a friendly way. It's all alphabetized, and when you're starting your teaching career, so many people use acronyms that you have no idea what they mean, and so this is a really great place to find educational acronyms, and it just feels friendly and it feels simple and easy. Lots of really good resources on this website for brain breaks. And so the 2 ISTE standards I chose was explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. So we know that brain breaks is really important for students to be productive and learn throughout the day. They need a break. We all need a break. And I feel like this just really supports a very structured ability for students to take a bit of a break and then be able to transition back into learning. And then 3.5.B, participate regularly in online professional learning networks to collaboratively learn with and mentor other professionals. This person who created this website that I found online, like, she is a teacher. She teaches currently, she's in our community, and I just love learning from a fellow teacher, someone who's going through the same things, and from someone states away. She's not even a Midwesterner like I am. So I really love that we can kind of connect through online and that I can learn from her. So love this resource. Totally check her out.